Here we are attaching our plate casters using two different size bolts, 2 3/4 going down through 2 tubes, and then 1 3/4 going down through the single tube. And then you just flip your caster upside down, line up the holes, and place lock nuts. We always recommend using lock nuts where there is going to be movement or vibration. Again here, same thing, it's just flipped over so I don't have to balance the caster in my lap. Again, 2 3/4 inch tubes up through the 2 tubes, and then I will place lock nuts to hold that in place while I grab the 1 3/4 going up through 1 tube. And then since it's upside down, all you have to do once you get all 4 casters on is just flip the frame over. Here we are mounting a plate caster with both 1x1 and 1x2. The 1x2 is laying flat, so you will still use the 2 3/4 inch bolts down through that. If the 1x2 was vertically, you would use a 3 3/4 inch bolt down through those. And then again, 1 3/4 down through the single tube and then into the plate of the caster. Here I am mounting a floor lock in between 2 swivels. This is used whenever you do not have locks on the casters themselves. You can place the floor lock, and it is bolted on just like the plate casters. This here we have is only going through 1 tube, so you will only need 4 1 3/4 inch bolts and again lock nuts.